In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can view all the pages on your Canva project. So you have two ways you can do this. The first is by clicking on this arrow down here labeled Show Pages. Then from here, you'll be able to see every single page that you've added to your project. You can choose to animate them from down here. You can decrease the duration of each slide. It's all up to you. Alternatively, if you want a bigger screen or a bigger way to see all the pages, then you can come to this icon that's 4 squares, which is the grid icon, and click on it. Then from here, you should be able to see all your pages. You can also rename them from here. You can also choose to delete them, duplicate them, hide them. It's all up to you. If you wish to exit this view, click on the same icon again, and you'll be brought back to your normal viewing screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.